Operating instructions. Bowl guards are standard on all 10 through 80 quart globe mixers. Before removing or attaching the bowl guard, make sure the bowl is in the down or lowered position, and the agitator tool is not on the shaft. Line up the ring catch on the left of the mixer. Lift the guard gently into place and rotate the guard's lower handle counterclockwise until the unit snaps back into place with the upper part of the handle. To remove the bowl guard, push the lower part of the separated handle out, clockwise, dividing the handle and releasing the guard from the rotation ring. Install the bowl before attaching the agitator. Lower the bowl cradle by pulling the bowl lift lever forward and down to its resting position. For models SP40 and SP60, rotate the bowl lift wheel counterclockwise until it stops. For the SP62P and SP80PL, press the down arrow to lower the bowl until it stops. Note, if you have a 3-phase mixer and the bowl does not lower while pressing the down arrow, check to make sure the outlet is wired properly. Lift the bowl by handles and slowly position the locking pin into the hole in the middle rear of the cradle. Then lower the bowl onto the pins located on either side of the bowl cradle. Once the bowl is positioned on the cradle, secure the bowl by pulling each bowl clamp forward until the bowl is locked into position. Note, it is easier to install the agitator before adding the ingredients into the bowl. Rotate the bowl guard to the left so it rests in the open position. The shaft pin and the slot in the agitator must be in line. Slide the agitator slowly upwards onto the planetary shaft, fitting the shaft pin through the slot in the agitator. Rotate the agitator clockwise to secure it onto the planetary shaft. Overloading or not following the capacity chart will damage the mixer and void the warranty. Refer to the capacity chart section of the user manual before operation. Agitators must always rotate in a counterclockwise direction around the bowl. Planetary heads rotate clockwise. Make sure the speed control lever is on the first speed. Add the appropriate mixing ingredients into the bowl. Rotate the bowl lift lever up until the bowl locks into position. On the SP40 and SP60, rotate the bowl lift wheel clockwise until the bowl is all the way up into position. For the SP62 and SP80PL, press the arrow until the bowl is up into position. Rotate the bowl guard to the right until it locks into the closed position. You will hear it click into place. The mixer will not start if the bowl guard is open or the bowl is not completely in the raised position. Before starting the mixer, always change to the desired speed. Failure to do so can damage the gears or other parts and will void the warranty. Select the appropriate speed setting by lifting or lowering the speed control lever. Press the green start button to begin mixing. To change speeds while mixing, press the red stop button, then wait for the agitator to come to a complete stop. Change the speed by raising or lowering the speed control lever. The SP62 and SP80PL will automatically shut off if the speed is changed while the mixer is in operation. The mixer is equipped with motor overload protection. If the mixer shuts off during operation, reduce the batch size. For the SP25 and smaller models, press the stop button and then press the overload reset button located on the back of the mixer. On the larger models, wait 2 minutes and then press the start button on the control panel. When the ingredients have been thoroughly mixed, press the red stop button to stop the mixer. If the timer was used, the mixer will automatically stop when time has expired. Lower the bowl by pulling the bowl lift lever forward and down to its resting position. For models SP40 and SP60, rotate the bowl lift wheel counterclockwise until it stops. For models SP62P and SP80PL, press the down arrow, the blue button, until the bowl stops. Rotate the bowl guard to the left so it is in the open position. Remove the agitator from the planetary shaft by lifting it upwards, then rotating it counterclockwise until it's unlocked. Lower the agitator and remove from the planetary shaft. Push each bowl clamp backwards to unlock the bowl from the bowl cradle. Lift up slightly on the bowl so it clears the pins on the bowl cradle. Note, if using a bowl truck, release the locks before lowering the bowl. The bowl truck should be positioned under the bowl. Lower the cradle, bowl completely, and the bowl will release onto the bowl truck. Your mixer is equipped with a digital timer display, minutes and seconds buttons to adjust the timed operations, and start-stop buttons. The mixer can function in either timed operation or untimed operation. The display should read 0000 to operate in the untimed mode. Press the Start button to begin mixing. The display will scroll zeros across the display from left to right while mixing. Press the Stop button once the desired mixing is complete. The timer on the mixer can be set from 5 seconds to 60 minutes. Set the desired time. Minutes advance by 1 and seconds advance by 5s before rolling over to 0. Press and continuously hold the up arrow buttons to the desired minutes and seconds. Press and continuously hold. The button scrolls through the number cycles quickly. Once the desired time is set, check that the bowl guard and bowl lift are closed and locked into position, and then press Start. Wait for the timed cycle to end or press Stop to pause the mixing cycle. Pressing the Stop button once stops the mixer and pauses the timer during operation. Pressing the Stop button once while the mixer is not in operation will reset the timer to the last programmed set time. Double-clicking the Stop button twice within 1 second while the mixer is not in operation will reset the timer back to 0. Pressing Stop button twice within 1 second to reset the timer back to 0 is a feature only available for models SP10 through SP60. If a cycle is interrupted by the bowl guard being opened or by lowering the bowl lift lever, the mixer will stop. After the bowl guard and bowl lift are closed and locked into position, the Start button can be pressed to continue the program time. To add additional minutes or seconds to a mix time, stop the mixer and adjust the cycle mixing time. Once a timed cycle ends, the mixer will beep for 5 seconds, and the digital display will flash for 2 minutes, if not reset, indicating the timed cycle is complete.